Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining exactly where the medieval autocorrect will run and why. Once decided, gather a concise lexicon of archaic spellings and replacement rules so you can automate transforms. Install a tool that can map input to replacements, a text expander, auto hotkey, or a keyboard framework. Choose the one fitting your platform. Make sure to enable developer or macro permissions early. Now create a simple first rule to test. Replace you with ye so you confirm the pipeline works before expanding. Once your tool is ready, you build the rule set. You write explicit mappings or rejects, e.g., replace eth endings, convert u to ye, and swap s patterns where needed. Make sure specific patterns come before broad ones so rules don't override each other. Also handle capitalization and punctuation so you becomes ye at sentence starts. Test in short sentences, iterating until replacements feel natural. Export a portable file so you can reuse or share your medieval dictionary. Now integrate your rule file into the target environment and enable auto start if available. You should test across contexts, instant messages, documents, and browser fields because behavior can differ. Once satisfied, refine timing and add user trigger toggles so you can switch medieval mode on or off. If something breaks, disable recent rules, inspect rejects for greedy matches, and adjust priority order. One key tip: run a small log of replacements to spot unexpected changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.